Hey, it's Gigi, and today I'm doing a box opening for the Gilden Tree Foot Scrubber. It's pure natural terracotta, and it's artisan crafted, kiln fired, and it has two unique sides for scrubbing and buffing. So let's see what it looks like for this. On the back it says each foot scrubber is handcrafted by an artisan and made of 100% natural Indus River Valley clay. Alrighty. All right. Comes with a little insert with a QR code that you can scan. It's just giving you a little background on the company, and it's giving you some care instructions. It's showing you how to use the foot scrubber. And check this out. It also has this foot scrub recipe down here on the bottom of the insert. Pretty cool. So if you scan the QR code or visit the website, they'll explain to you how to care for your foot scrubber and give you some more recipes, some more foot scrub recipes. Here we go. Voila. All right, and here is the foot scrubber. Again, it is made of clay, and this side just has like ridges. Oh, it feels good. This side is more bristly. So just to rub it on my hand, it feels pretty good that way. Oh, it feels good on both sides, right? It's nice and gentle. I like that. It's nice and gentle. So this is the box opening for the Gilden Tree Foot Scrubber. So I'll come back in a couple of weeks and give you an update on how well it works or doesn't work. If you found this box opening helpful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Until next time, bye-bye.